Yo, so let's make an attempt again. We did this Hell's Kitchen last time. We don't need that. Training on. Guess all of cubes. This is what I'm thinking of every day, all day. Haven't found a solution. Windmill cycle. Yeah, not thinking about it. Not thinking about this one either. You bought a farm. Well, actually, you just inherited the farm. After your grandfather bought the farm in darker and more figurative. Yeah, he died. The point is, you now have a farm and you decide to abandon your life as a programmer in the city and become a farmer instead. That's a good one. It's a small farm with only a single field. Your grandfather had bought the equipment to irrigate it but was never installed. So that's your first order of business. The equipment consists of a single sprinkler gun and a variable speed pump. When active, the gun will turn, watering a circular area around it. The range of the gun can be controlled by varying the speed of the pump. The problem: where do you position it and what do you set the range to ensure it covers the largest possible circular area with your farm? Alright, so that is why there are like the circles over here. Problem description: the field to be irrigated has four sides and is defined by XY coordinates of four corners. And the field to be irrigated has four sides and is defined by XY coordinates of the four corners. The field may be any shape as long as it convex. What does convex mean? As interior angles less than 180. Okay. Your goal is to find I know what's convex is to find largest circular area that will fit within that quad. Note that your neighbors look unfriendly and all seem to be well armed, so to be safe you should be sure not to let the circle cross outside the field and into their property. Function, header and arguments. Coordinates are passed to your function as a single array of 8 floats, x and y. For corners 0 to 3 in a clockwise order on a plane where positive y is up and positive x is right. Okay. Your main function prototype should be fit biggest circle, coordinates, return values. You're expected to return an array consisting of the center x and center y and radius of the circle. At present only the radius is tested. The position is simply used in the output visualization. Only the radius will be tested, but both will be used to display a picture of your solution, like those with the examples below. Example: squares are trivial, with radius being half the length of the side, of course. You'll have to prove the corners define a square first. What? Okay. Circle and position is at 0, 0 and radius is that. Smoker Peter. Alright, and if we cannot do that, we'll do that. Smoker Peter buys new home. This one's awesome. Sounds awesome. Alright, so let's make a test and see what. Okay, so we have that actually visualized. Wow. So, okay. Oh, fuck. How? What did I do? What did I do? So we get coordinates, some basic vector math here. Let's say print coords. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it says the input shall be 8 floats. but it's not 8 floats. It's like 8 integers for corners from 0 to 3. And it's like y, 1, 2, 3, and yeah, okay. So some basic vector math over here. Center position first two values are not tested at present. Alright, so let's just say if we put the radius over here 1, will it show on the solution? Because is this green? Yeah, this one passes. What's up? And this one also passes miraculously. And it makes me feel good to see this kind of kata, something new. But the thing that I'm thinking about is how to... Oh my god, I need to go to the toilet. Shit. Yeah, I need to go to the toilet, but I have an idea. Like the first idea that I get is that center is the x of the diagonals, and the second tip is in Slovenian this is called včrtani krog. So I just need to know that and I'll know how to do it. Yo, what's up? I ain't ashamed to admit it, man. This is currently just too much for me. Although it's interesting, just like this castle of cubes, I have not yet come to like this windmill cycle or ziggurat ride of fortune. So let's hope that this kata called Smoker Peter buys new home is easy enough for us. So let's say Smoker Peter buys new home. Smoker Peter wants to buy new home. Peter is a smoker. He pays €0.5 for each cigarette and he smokes 6 cigarettes per day. Wow, 6 cigarettes is quite a lot. His daily wage is €100. Whoa, what the fuck. Alright, so yeah, let's... First of all, let's calculate that a little bit, you know? Because if you say, if actually... so €0.5 is 1/200th of his daily pay. But actually, like right over here, you pay, if you buy Camel Blue cigarettes, you pay €8.2 for 20 cigarettes. So you divide it by 20. You actually pay that. Alright, so yeah, actually Peter's wage is quite high. This one is called Aryan. Oulu. This is Finland. Oh, this is some... Wow, tell story. Together. Project is published here, the site can be reached, of course. Alright. His daily wage is €100 while he spends €20 on life expenses. Peter wants to buy a new home that costs €100,000. Please let him know how many days he has to save money. To buy the home. What if he stops smoking? Count the days that he has to wait. You don't need to count the last day, the day he wants to buy the home. What? Write a method that takes 5 arguments. Cigarette price. number cigarette per day, wage per day, other expenses, home price, and return a string in the following format. If it takes days to buy the home, however, if you start smoking, it only takes that days. In case the person is not smoker, you don't need the second sentence, so the return string will be it takes that days to buy the home. In case of Peter, the return string will be it takes 100 days to buy the home. However, if you start smoking, it only takes what? 3 about a month and a half less or something. PS round down the results since we don't count the last day. Yeah, alright, let's do that. Oh, it's like only for C language. Well, I'm in C sharp. Well, fuck it, I guess we won't do the Smoker Peter one. That went by quickly. Best positive feedback. Positive feedback, all of the hard ones. Well, that's good, you know, that's not bad, that's good. That means we have a lot of interesting katas to do. But right now, alright, let's do Zalgo text reader. Zalgo text is a text that leaks into our plane of existence from a corrupted dimension of Unicode. For example, have a great day. Complete the function that converts a string of Zalgo text into a string interpretable by our mortal eyes. For example, the string above could be converted into that. Some hints if you're stuck. Alright, then let's try without the hints at first. So we shall say for character, or we could like do it, oops, do it just over here. We say return dot join, and we want to join, we want to make a list of Zalgo text, and we wanna like, and we do, what do? We say chr for character, for character in a list Zalgo text. Let's see what that returns us. Whoa, an integer is required. Type error. For where? Where is integer required? Oh. CHR maybe? Maybe print okay, that actually works. Oh, okay, maybe we need to find huh. So if that is Unicode, then we must, oh shit. Like see, let's see. Python check if as C. How to check Python? Fuck, ord. I say ord, and I need to do. Alright, so there is isAsci function that just checks return all. Yeah, what is all? Python all function. If all items in iterable are true. Okay. So we just say ord c is less than 128. Alright. So just join and we say character if ord character is what is less than 128 for character in list Zalgo text. Let's test that out. Oh fuck, invalid syntax. How is like fuck of all the fucked up of all the alright, so let's pull up that good old and say list comprehension Python thing, and we want to see for if expression for e in if filter is I. For I if filter okay, so we say first is for expression I. So we say char for char in list if ord, so order like ASCII order, I think. And let's just see, just to be sure we don't actually need to check it right now. The Unicode code to a specified character, yeah, so if it's Unicode less than 128, which is all of the things that we can understand, 128, yeah, so that should work. Test passed, yo, what's up? Yeah, that also, excuse me, do you have a moment to talk about Lord and Savior Zalgo? Oh, I didn't know that's like the point of Unicode, and I think that's a great solution, you know? I think that's a great solution. Zalgo def isAsci. Oh my god, there is fucking isAsci. What the fuck? Look, def isAsci. Encode if length encode like new in Python 3.7. No more tiresome ASCII checks on strings, it's now a built-in. Alright, so I guess this thing was marked correct before the new built-in. Of course, that was like 2008. Oh my god, it's so old. But yeah, that just like teaches us something about Stack Overflow answers in it. Yeah, sometimes it pays off to like read the multiple answers and like stuff up and down. All right. Well, that's it. Oh, this one used RE. Oh, okay, everything that is not that replaced with nothing. Nice. Or I just want to see like what does that hint do? How does Zalgo test? I've seen weirdly formatted text Zalgo like below written in various forums. It's kind of annoying to look at it. It undermines my notion of what character is supposed to be. My understanding is that it's supposed to move horizontally across lines. Obviously the Zalgo is moving vertically and doesn't seem to be restricted to any space. What is happening here? The text, so this is 13, 17, combining characters, special characters, that or that, which actually is that. Since you can stack, you can produce the following, which actually is that, stuff underneath. The main block of combining diacritics for European languages and the International Phonetic Alphabet. To produce a list of content, you can use the following script. Also check them out. Zalgo. Interesting. Alright. So with that bombshell we concluded today's episode of Top Gear. Bye!